Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to get notified when we drop another banger lit video. What's up, Taylor Squad? You don't know the girl Sam in the building.
I don't know the girl Kayla, but yes,
And today we're there back with another
banger lit video.
Period. Today this is the title, this is the thumbnail. Today we are come to know it. I never seen nobody do this yet. Basically, we just come up with it.
Idea.
Yeah, so in here, 3 seconds to answer the question or get
smack.
Smack.
I kind of smack her but more
you know,
funny.
more excitement. We not one guess, we not two guess, we not three guess.
One guess.
One guess. 3 seconds. Right there, so if you not get it, you get a box and you get B box. Kevin on none of my questions, I'm gonna ask Christ. So guys, before getting this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to get notified when we drop another banger lit video with
And
a sick.
With a, I'm not really sure, 700 years ago, but before we get started though, follow me on Instagram at Amanda_own.
And follow me on Instagram at Sammy_family_TV.
Period. TikTok Sammy_lifestyle. No further talking. Wait. So I don't know pour the way because I'm a pretty girl thing. I'm not a pretty boy thing. A flower we use right there so before we get started, not before we get started. Let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so you know the regular we are rock paper scissors shoot first and we have the timer right there so now see what going on. So rock paper scissors three times, right? Ready? Rock paper scissors shoot. Boom! Rock paper scissors shoot. Yeah, thief. Ready again. Rock paper scissors shoot. Bop. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot.
I
go first. I'm me win, so I'm going to pick who I go first. Ask a question.
The first,
Wait. Oh yeah, ask. I'm set there.
The first question.
Come with it. Talk louder now.
What is my favorite fruit?
Let me start the timer. Melon.
No.
You look a thief in girl,
Melon is not my favorite fruit.
Look me then. You're too damn thief.
Let me smack you.
And a banana. My favorite fruit is a banana. Alright, tell me my favorite fruit.
My favorite fruit is
You eat melon literally every time. Why your favorite fruit? Can you not thief? She thief. If you did box me a box back in the leg. If you did thief.
Your question.
My question now. What mother me gonna name? Starting the timer now. Mother me gonna name. Ready? Your grandma me gonna name.
No.
Yeah man, I saw we go to work, you know. I saw set your face good. Me. You idiot, yo. Oh, you feel like your grandma me gonna name? Set your face good, cause set your face good.
Girl, no smack me at you.
Cause set your face good, I'm not laugh. Set your face good, brother. Oh, you feel like your grandma me gonna name?
I feel it, Mr.
God, you deserve. She deserve it. She know her grandma me gonna name like that. That well deserved. The next question. I think time for if you just question for me.
Okay, myself. Wipe off your way for.
Alright, next question. Your question.
Okay, the next question is.
But yeah, come out and think for.
What me always someone go in America?
Marcus, wait. Sure, starting?
Yeah.
Wait. Starting the time. LA. Marcus and Lucas yard.
No.
You look at it. Wait. You have to ask about a question. Can put it at 3 seconds. Put it on. Guys. Oh my days. Alright. So, starting the timer now. Ask my question. Ask my question yourself.
When me always someone go in America.
Marcus and Lucas yard. LA.
No.
What a look liar girl.
Mexico.
Just Christ. She say You say America. Me as idiot too. Come slap. Okay, no sense. One slap for no sense.
Mom! Mexico. Mexico.
She say what you
Me always someone go.
I'm stressed right out. I'm not ask Christ. One slap for lie. You're too damn lie.
Girl, get us out.
LA, Los Angeles, that's what say we always want to go if you try.
Alright, this one she don't know it.
She said she want to go Marcus and Lucas here. If you don't know the YouTube,
Marcus and Lucas, please go subscribe. Subscribe to them channel. Yeah.
My next question. My next question. What's my shoe size? I ask the question here tons of times.
7.
I don't appreciate the fact that you get it. But I can't appreciate it. Alright. Next question. Your question.
Okay, who is my favorite YouTuber?
What tell you idiot? 3 seconds crack. Marcus and Lucas. Don't be brother. Don't be brother.
Mr. Bean.
You too dear.
Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean.
I don't feel like I'm play the game and further with you. No Marcus and Lucas and don't brother. When you train. You always watch
Mr. Bean.
You always watch Marcus and Lucas.
I
don't people tell that for me.
Is
I like to tell that for me. Chunky, watch me on you. Ready. She said, she literally always watch. Let me see how what Marcus and Lucas and do brother again. I'm stressed out. Don't put on my ear now. Come on, wash my head for now.
You have to mark me. How much time?
Alright, brother.
Come, your turn.
You have 3 seconds on the 3 seconds on the clock. Favorite food? No.
Banana leaves.
You never say it. If it's a banana, that's me change just turn it to apple.
Girl, what make you put in on me head?
You move, hush.
Come, learn.
In my head, though.
You're lucky.
Your turn to ask question. Your next question.
Okay. The next question is.
Tell me, say you don't know your next question, slow pitney. Well, you have to ask me.
What is okay, when we born? Morning, evening.
You don't even know if a man is even at night
I
born.
know when we born.
You don't know when I'm born?
I know when we born.
Alright, ready. Come, you know when I'm born, a dummy, yo.
Come, morning, evening.
She born evening. Me there for the time.
No, mommy said it's morning.
Wait. Call her mother. We are on the video. Wait, guys. Commercial. Cause Antavai, you don't know when a penny ban. You don't know when a penny ban. Midi Day River.
4:11 Sunday
Midi Day River. I hear say penny ban.
Hey, 4:11 Sunday morning. What are we right with? 4:11 Sunday morning.
A penny ban.
11 minutes after 4 in the morning, she ban. I take you to the hospital, let me take you to she never gone till next morning.
Oh, come, she come home in the evening. Right. So guys, we're back on track. We forget a slap. Tap it nice now.
Like coffee, something.
Me did a she born at the morning, but she come home in the evening. But think she did say when she come home.
When my born.
Oh.
You forget to smack in your face.
Something.
Come.
No, yeah, slap me on my ears too much.
Come on.
Sit down.
But no, let's fix it good before I'm flashing your ear then. Yeah, ram.
Ready.
Yeah, ram too much.
Chunky, you just want me now watch me here for now, Pitney? Come, my question. So the next question, my question is, how old is my, no, I don't feel that.
You see,
what more be in the future? No, what may I study for now? What may I study for be 3 seconds?
one practice nurse.
What? What the fuck? Fire cleat? Dismiss. Wait, tell people them what you just say. What may I study for be? What you say?
Practice nurse.
Eh?
Oh yeah, when I say, oh, you did, she did say she wants front decks.
Where just
Front
say?
next
No, wait,
one.
no, you don't open up.
Practice.
That if you have common sense, you damn fool. You want to practical nurse. I'm stressed out. It's practical nurse, something like that, and me don't want to be the nurse.
Girl.
Is you dumb? Practical nurse.
Come, cut.
Your turn to answer question. You damn don't say. Next
Okay. Next question is.
Wanna do my dance? And you got 3 seconds. If you come up with the next question, like, we are change up the game. You have to hurry up. You alright, so I get one slap.
Wait.
You just get one slap.
Wait.
You just get one slap.
Wait. Alright, start. Okay, what's my favorite dream car?
Alright. Dismiss. Your dream car. I know that you damn fool you. Mercedes Benz and just a Range Rover Mercedes Benz just because you could have.
You never
Me done.
I
Too deep.
Yes, a Mercedes Benz and a Range Rover.
Me say
It's a Range Rover.
Guys, repeat that. Mr. Range Rover, whatever I want name, and a Mercedes Benz, and just let me go say to finish it just because that's my dream car, that's her dream car. She never know of that until me go over and say those two are my top dream car.
No, you're doing that.
Looking at me.
Come, you don't chat about that now. Come here, question. Come no girl.
Me look extra dark right there, so.
Come no girl. Me look extra girl.
Come on, son, this side. I'm saying I'm going to
The girl move.
see him when I'm spot.
Come guys.
Am I question?
Yes.
Where do I want to go? My top vacation. Start time now.
LA.
You have to study me.
Whisper.
Switzerland.
Me didn't know about that country. Move your six to more clear.
Me say Switzerland or me say when you Turks Island. I know what Switzerland me say.
Girl, you
Come, can you know your auntie?
Yeah.
Ready? Oh me here. I mean look me.
But watch me. Next thing is.
Let's see, 3 seconds, because you don't know if your question, and that means you know.
Girl, we are
No, me don't know, me I set it. Ready?
Oh, what is my favorite color?
Pink.
No.
I didn't know me I get that one, because I don't know my favorite color. Oh yeah, I know my favorite color. Can I change color every season? What your favorite color?
Yeah, no, I'm not smart.
What your favorite color?
Red. This shit.
Slap me, chunky, slap me. Slap me. Why you put out so much, man?
That's it, guys. She weird. If you got smack me, no, she don't want me smack.
Alright, ready.
Come.
Oh, stop put it in my ear, I'm not watching.
Come. See that? She smack me on the two side first in here, so I'm smack her on the two side first on her front head. Come. Take up my phone.
Stress.
Take up my phone, girl. Yeah, make your phone full of sun. Take up my phone. Chocolate.
Alright, my question?
Next question.
Chunky, you got
What?
3 seconds on the clock for tell me what's my favorite YouTuber name? Starting timer now. Favorite YouTuber?
Me no know.
Go freak out you.
Yeah, get 10.
Oh, you really don't know?
No.
Funny man, you damn fool you.
Me never say one funny mic yet.
Come here and tell me say you never see more. And I make you start watch funny man.
Come on.
If you top tell them like they not paying me can't listen. Your turn. Ask the question. It's what damn lie man.
Okay.
Ask the question.
What is my Last name.
How old Papa do you have?
No, that the one that were in this one.
Starting time now?
Yep.
Me don't remember.
Last name, you know. Come. I can't
How
tell
are
for the
they?
camera.
How are they?
I can't tell for the camera.
Tell me how again. If it's true. Oh, if you don't remember that on that, come on.
Can't tell for the camera. Come. Come get it to get you all right. Guys, you can't tell in the for the camera. Come in. One
Alright. Next question. When is my father's birthday? 3 seconds by the time I start now. Father birthday.
January.
January 7th. Okay. Move it on.
Oh my God, you're too extra.
When I do my dance.
Okay.
Give me the next question. Can I wrap up to this final? We got, you have one more question for us, me have one more question for us. So this is the final question.
Okay, the final question is.
Or probably 2 more. Come on.
Yeah, 2 more.
Come on.
What is my.
When I do my dance.
What is my favorite? Oh, what
You
I
forget
always say me want be.
Firefighter. Tell me something.
Love you, ring, girl. Me and that did I talk about it last night.
I feel like I forgot your mother again. Chunky, where you always say, well, I'm a firefighter and soldier.
Dancer.
Me I gotta tell your mother. One more announcement, guys. Antavai! We are playing game and Chunky always saying want to be a firefighter though. Guess what the picnic get up and do? Make I show you.
Dance. But I always say
Chunky!
dancer.
Chunky, where you say you want me? Dancer. What that simple mean this in a stripper she want me?
Which one? No,
She said she want me dance and a wine.
Yeah, I dance. Me say me always.
She want me a go-go.
Say me have to do one.
She want me a go-go.
Me have to do one style.
She want me a go-go. I see it clear so my knees want me a... Chunky, come now. She want me a go-go.
Me
She
never
need to be a
want
go-go.
Me say me want me dancing. Me
Like-
want have my own
Dance
dance.
class.
Yes.
Oh, you want to teach dancing. But you go so, like a pole dance from... So, mood no.
You forget a box, girl. You forget a box. Me always say me want me a firefighter and me change it. Come. You chat too much. You chat too
Alright,
much.
let it finish.
Okay, fear question. 2 more. We have 1 more question left.
Michaela Maynard.
What?
Why your grandma me go name? Me ask question when you know you don't know. Auntie, me go name. Your freak are you? Then auntie me attack.
Me no know. Say it first.
Elizabeth. The damn fool, no?
I'm not sure now.
Freak are you? Yeah man, the last name I want to ask about a me go name when I do my dance. So you feel about that? You say you look like a look at me talking about people like monkey. But dark yes I do. But I appreciate the fact. Guys, that's it for the video.
No! We have 1 more question.
One more question? Alright, your question.
Okay. The next question
Come on.
is what me say me always want.
That is not a damn question, but we always want. One puppy. Just call me a puppy. Tell me some wrong. My question number 2 I get back. Michaela Maynard. Which hospital me born?
Sentient.
You're the
Sentan.
Sentir.
Sentan.
Me done. It up, you're damn deaf.
When you born?
Me born a Saint when you say Sintina.
I said Sentan. Yeah, look come.
Don't play with me.
You have to play on the phone. Guys, guys, me say Saint Anne, guys, look on her. I said Saint Anne, you're not listen good.
Give me this. Come and close up the video.
Move.
So guys, that's it for the video.
Zap the video.
Chop.
Video. Is the end of the video. Yes.
Come close up the video.
And this is the end.
That's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make a thumb again on our face. You can't see. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I know you enjoyed this. Be a man, this is going. Oh God, I'm blind. I'm going to take the thumbnail. We're going to put up this video today. We're outside. You don't know the things. Go over to my personal channel. Sammy Lifestyle, subscribe. Don't know the things. Videos soon come over there. So if you don't video already, we'll catch up on a new video. Then we're outside. Same way. Bye.